Hey y'all, iRickSky here, and I want to do a video review of this crucial memory. These are two 8 gigabit sticks for a total of 16 gigs, and it says Mac, but basically all these are, they're DDR3 1600 SODIMMs. So if you're not already familiar, an iMac basically takes, it's basically kind of like a big laptop on the inside, and it takes the same type of memory. So I got this affordably from newegg.com. Excuse me. You can check the video description for where I ordered it. But the reason I did this, and you can see it over there, I've got the 27-inch 2013 Haswell iMac. And what I did with it, I purchased 16 gigs of memory from Apple. So that was two 8 gig sticks. And now what I'm going to do is add an additional 2 8 gig sticks to bring the total memory in that 2013 27-inch Haswell iMac up to 32 gigs, which is the maximum capacity. Just a way to save money, because if you jump to 32 from Apple, it's a lot more expensive. So this is just a review of this memory. I'm going to do an installation, and then I'll do a follow-up review. So if you're looking for memory to upgrade your 2013 Haswell iMac, and that's 27-inch, keep in mind the smaller one you cannot upgrade yourself, but you can check out my other video where I demonstrate that. But just good quality affordable memory. Thanks for watching. Share this video there. Subscribe if you haven't already. youtube.com/iRickSky.